Other CSS tips and tricks. In today's quick tip, we'll learn how we can align a text and an icon inside of a button, and also how to create an outline button in CSS. So right here in our HTML, we have a section element with a class of card, and inside of it we have a button. And this button has two spans. The first one is wrapping the text, and the second one I'm using to insert an icon to this button. Right here I'm using the Bootstrap icon library. I have a link on the description below. You can watch that video and learn how to include it in your project and how to include it inside of your elements. And I also have right here a btn icon. I'm using this class to target this icon right here and to style them in CSS. So if you go to our style sheets, right here I have the CSS for the card, and then I am targeting the bottom selector and applying this CSS, and I also targeting this class for the icon right here. The goal is to align this text right here inside of this button with the icon. You can try to align them using the text align with the value of center. Save it, and you see the text and the icon are not aligned. And you can also target your button icon and give it a margin. Let's say I want margin to be 8 pixels. Save it, and this won't align the text and the icon inside of this button. So let's give it actually a margin of top and bottom of 0 pixel and left and right of 8 pixel. Let's save it. A better approach is to come right here inside of your button selector and make this button a flex box container. So you can use this property right here, display with the value of flex, and then you can use the property align items with the value of center and justify content with also with the value of center. When you save it, you can notice now that your icon and your text are vertically and horizontally aligned. You can use this approach right here to center any element inside of your HTML and CSS. The second tip I want to show you is how to create an outline button. For that, I'm creating a new class called outline-button. Let's give this class a color. So a color will be hash EC1C37. This is a red color. Then the background color will be transparent. We don't want any background color for this button. And we'll also want to give it a border. A border can be 1 pixel, solid, and I'm using the keyword current color. This current keyword will make the border has the same color as your text. Now let's copy this class right here. Let's go to our HTML. Let's give in this button a class attribute, and the value will be outline button. When you save it, you have now an outline button. Let's change it a color to be something like blue color right here. Save it. And the third tip I want to show you is how to make an anchor tag looks like a button. So let's add an anchor tag. Let's give it a text of button 2. Save it. And now let's also give it a class. Let's call this class button. Copy this class, save it. We come right here where we are targeting the button selector. Let's give it a comma and paste this class right here. Save it, and now your anchor looks like a button too. And we can come right here in our HTML, copy this button element, and then paste it right here. Let's remove this class now. Save it, and now you have a default button, an outline button, and an anchor tag that looks like a button. So this is it for the video. If you find this video useful, consider subscribe and like this video. This will help our channel. See you on the next one.